Looking to replace or cancel a working order? First, select the account you want to trade in if you have more than one trading account. To switch accounts, click the Account dropdown. You can view working orders in two places, in the Activity tab and in the Portfolio tab. First, locate the position with the working order. After clicking Edit Order, you will be sent to the trade window where you may adjust the price of the order. After adjusting, click Review and Send. Here, you can review your trade. To make revisions to the order, click Edit Order to return back to the order ticket, or click the X at the top right-hand corner of the trade window to leave your existing order working. If you're ready to send your adjusted order, click Send Order. Your old order will be canceled and replaced. Or, if you're having second thoughts, you can also cancel your working order. To cancel the order, return back to the working order in the Portfolio tab. Locate the position with the working order. Then click Cancel Order. A prompt will appear. Click Cancel Order. Your order is now canceled.